Hello and welcome back to the course. In this particular lesson, we are going to be starting with creating our first ever bot. In the previous lesson, we have already covered what are the different settings that are available in the Nuox AI. So throughout this lesson, we're going to be understanding how we can create our own chatbot widget that will be displayed on our website from scratch, and we're going to be understanding how this particular thing works. Not only that, we're going to be also covering how to train this particular chatbot on top of your existing data. Let's say you want to connect it with your website and providing the information about your website as well. You can either use a PDF format, or you can also give your URL to the website, and it will be training the model on top of it and having the knowledge about your website and your business as well. So this is going to be really helpful whenever a new customer comes to your website. They will be having a chat widget on the website itself that can easily convert the particular person who is coming to your website. So let's say you can see this is how the widget will look like, and if you click on this, you will be getting this particular screen. So you will be able to replace your own logo here, and it will be named whatever you like. So let's say you want to create a AI agent of your company's name, so you can just create that, and it will be having the knowledge about the entire website as well and your business too. So you can also upload images. It will be having voice input and other supports as well. So this is going to be a really game changer in your business. And if you are a service provider, you can provide this as a service to your clients, and it will be helping your clients to book more appointments with the help of this AI automation that we're going to be creating using Nuox AI. So without further ado, let's get started with it. So to get started, first of all, we have to move to this particular screen. So previously we have already covered all the settings that we have done in the previous step. Now what we will do is we will just move to the next step, that is going to be building the chatbot. So for this, first of all, we need to click on chatbots, and over here you will see my chatbots. So right now I don't have any chatbot created over here. So you will be also getting these options that are available for new chatbot from template, or we have a new chatbot. So there is some templates that are created by Nuox AI that we can use as a template to build our own particular chatbot. So if I just click on this templates, you will be able to see that we have some templates that are available over here. Let's say you are an e-commerce business, then you can use this template. If you are a real estate business, then you can use this particular template. Then we also have the agent templates available for us as well. Like you can see agent template, AI recruiting agent. Then we have CTSS Academy front desk. So if you want to have a front desk agent, you can use this one. AI leasing agent Sarah. So if you are leasing some properties and all, so you can use this particular agent. Then similarly, we have AI cleaning template, CTSS AI agent demo. Then we have Joey property maintenance engineer. Then we have service demo. Then some others as well, like e-commerce demo and real estate demo. So you can use these templates as well that are trained for you, and these are built for specific use cases. So in the near future, you might see even more templates and agent templates that are going to be available over here. So, but for now, we are going to be creating our own custom chatbot. So for that, I will just click again on my chatbots. If you feel this particular chatbot templates are suitable for your business, then you can select any of these. But for now, we will move here and click on new chatbot. So after clicking on the my chatbot, you will see this particular screen that says data sources. So first of all, we need to provide the data into this particular AI assistant or AI chatbot from different sources. Let's say you have PDF, docs, text files that you have already generated and created. You can upload them in here, and it will be training a model on top of this particular data that you're going to be providing in here. So you can see this is the limit that I have for my plan. So if you want to see what are the limits with your plan, so you can go to the pricing plan, and here you will be able to see how many characters data that you can give as a training data to this particular chatbot. So you can say there are different tiers of this as well, depending on your pricing and how much data you can provide to this particular chatbot. So just go through it, and whatever plan you are on, you will be able to create this. And for the free users, you will be able to provide 4 lakh characters data to the training bot. So for now, we will just go back here and try to provide the data. So let's say you have some PDFs of your business, you can just provide them in here and upload them. Let's say you have a CSV file or some other files as well. So I think it doesn't allow CSV files, but you can upload PDF, docs, TXT files, and they should be less than 50 MB. So just create that and upload that here. So it will be having the context that is available inside this particular documents. Choose from other chatbots. So if you want to add data from other chatbots that you have already created, you can also do that. That is also an option available. But right now we don't have any chatbots. That's why it is not showing any option here. Or apart from this, you can also provide text data input. Then you can also provide your website URL here, and it will be trying to get the data from this website URL. So what I will do is, I can first of all go to my website, that is getsetcode.in, and I will just try to copy the URL from here and provide it to the crawler in here, and I will click on fetch links. Now it will try to fetch all the links that are available on my website. That is going to be getsetcode.in. So whatever pages I have, like /courses, /this and /that. So it will be having all these different pages in here. So you can see these are the different pages that it has fetched from our website. So let's say I want to select what all data I want to provide this particular chatbot with. So I want it to take this page as an input. Then if I want to get the products from my store, I can do that. Then similarly, I can do the /blog about. This is going to be important. Then products membership. This is not important. /checkout is not important. Privacy policy is important. Terms of use is important. Contact us and refund policy is important. So I want to provide all these different data from this particular pages that are available on my website. So if you go over here, you will see these are the different pages. So if I click on about us, you will see the about us section, what are different things are available on this. So it is going to be fetching the data, entire data from my website, and trying to train a model on top of this. So you can upload a URL to your website. Otherwise, you also have option to uploading different files like PDF, docs and others. And you also have option to providing different text data into it. So now after doing this, you can also upload CSV file. If you have a CSV file, you can upload that as well. That is an option available on the data sources inside websites. So once we are done with this, what I will do is I will just click on create chatbot. I can click on this and it will start training the chatbot. Apart from this, if I want, I can go to the Q&A section and I can provide some questions and answers to them that will be also trained on this particular chatbot. So let's say I'm going to be adding who are you. So this is going to be a question, and the answer for this will be I am a helpful AI assistant agent Jarvis. So let's say I want it to answer in this particular manner. So what I can do is I can just add this question. Similarly, I can add as many questions as I want in here. So it will be having the knowledge about different questions. So let's say you have a specific question a particular user wants to ask, then you can provide the answer in here. So how you were created. So I'm built using new AI platform. You can check this. So I can also provide links to it. Let's say I want this link to be given as an output. So I can add that. And after adding this, it will be creating this particular question in here in our database. So similarly, if you want to add the data from files, you can just upload the files. You can provide text. Then I've also given an example of how you can fetch the data from your existing website. Then you can add Q&A as well in here if you want to add Q&A sections in this particular manner, we can do that. And apart from that, we have an option for Google Sheets as well. So create your own Google Sheet, make a copy of the template. Then we have to fill out the values in the Google Sheet you created. Then we can add a share access to this particular Google Sheet, and you can just paste the Google Sheet URL in here. So it will be able to fetch the data from your Google Sheet as well. So right now what I have done is I have just created a CSV file or a spreadsheet where I have added the data for the Nuox AI and what all things they offer and some FAQs from their website. So what I can do is now I will just click on share and I will try to add an access to everyone, and I will just try to copy this link from here. Now after copying this link, I can go over here and provide the URL to this spreadsheet. Now it will be also getting the data from the spreadsheet and try to train the chatbot on top of this as well. So right now we have added 3 different sources here. The first source was the website. So I have used this particular website. Then I have added my custom Q&As, and we have also seen how we can add the Google Sheet as an access to this particular chatbot's data. So you can also add text data, raw text data if you have some. And apart from this, you can also upload different PDF and doc files. So now after adding these, what we can do is we can just click on create chatbot. Then it will start training this chatbot. You can see saving Q&A. So now it is now trying to fetch the data from our website, trying to fetch different URLs from there, and it's trying to get the data from our website. Right now it is crawling the website and trying to scrape the website and try to get the entire data from our website. So it might take few minutes or few seconds depending on how the crawler works. So let's wait for it to complete this. Now unable to get the sheet data. So there is some issue with the sheet data. So let me check what is the issue. So after copying the link again, I provide this create chatbot. Let's see if it's able to fetch the data now. Okay, we are again getting some issue with this particular feature. So you can see viewer. Okay, let me check whether I have provided the access as a viewer or not. Okay, you can see I have added the option for the viewer, but still it's not able to get the data from this spreadsheet. So let me try it once again, last time. Let's see. Okay, so it's not able to fetch the data from the spreadsheet for some reason. So right now you can see you are make a copy of the template. Okay, and share. Okay, so now the one thing that we missed was we have to open this example. This is going to be the example that we need to use to display the output to the user, and we can add URL display names and URLs as well as custom columns in here. So we have to use this particular format to give the data to the user. So right now we have created our own custom spreadsheet, but it's not able to fetch the data from this. Because of that, it was not able to fetch the data because they have a specific template that is created using which we can fetch the data for this particular one. That is the Google Sheets. So you can just click on this and you will be getting this Google Sheet. You can make changes in it and you will be able to train the model on top of this as well. Now we can see we have the characters that is around 80,000 characters that we have given to this particular chatbot right now. So if I click on create, now it will start training this model and you can see training succeed. So if we are able to redirect us to this page, we can see, hi, I'm Sarah, your workflow assistant. I'm excited to help you create your first own AI chatbot. First thing first, let's give your chatbot a name that feels just right. So I have to provide a name to my chatbot that is going to be, let's say, Jarvis AI agent. So this is going to be my name of the AI chatbot. So if I give it as an input, you will see Jarvis name has successfully updated to your Jarvis AI agent. So you can see right now this is the name of our AI agent. So we have successfully added this particular name to our chatbot. And you can see conversational create workflow. This is a beta feature that they have released right now, using which we are able to give the name and interact with our AI agent that we are creating over here. So right now we have added this. by just giving it a command in the form of a prompt. So we can build this using a prompt as well. Turn on custom CSS. Okay, if you want to turn on custom CSS chat interface, you can do that. I want to build a get order status workflow by order ID and things like that. So you can also build things by just prompting this particular uh, AI agent, that is Sarah. So this was about that. If you want to preview the chat window, you can see this is the chat window that we get, and this is how it looks like. So I think we have successfully created the chatbot in this particular lesson. So in the next lesson onwards, we're going to be setting up the chatbot with different settings and trying to explore what all settings are available for this chatbot and of how we can generate different leads, as well as how we can book appointments using this particular chatbot that we have created. And not only that, we're going to be also integrating voice feature with this particular AI voice assistant. So I think that was it for creating the chatbot using the links as well as providing different documents to it. So I hope now you are successfully able to create your own chatbot using it. So without further ado, let's move to the next lesson of our course.